Hi people, let me show you today this product. It's company Starter C. They send me ND filters for Osmo Pocket 3 and we will try this today. So they sent this in, it's really nice case. So you get this case and you got this cloth so you can clean them. Open like this and you have here set of 6 filters, ND filters and CPL filters also. So we will try how this work, how this fit, then we go outside to see on bright sunlight how this goes. Like I show you, you have 5 ND filters and 1 CPL filters. All of filters are magnetized, and what is really great here, I will show you, because only I think this on market they have possibility, but let me show you first. They are magnets, so just put it there and they are there. Why is this important? Why they are so thin? If you buy original ND filters from DJI, they cannot do this. You close and then they are closed. With original DJI filters, you need to remove the filters, then you can close the camera. So if you use, for example, during the summer, one ND filters, you don't need to close them. You don't need to put them away from the camera. So like I said, just remove them, put another, put it there, close, and it's closed. So fit perfectly. You don't need to bother anymore to detach from the camera or something like that. So like I said, they are really nice to use, really sturdy. You cannot expect they will fall down from the camera or something like that. Easy to put, just that, and you are ready to record or something like that. So going outside to let me show you how this works and how can you expect what you see through the camera on the bright sunny day. So guys, from the side here, I don't know, can you see, you have the ND8 here says. So you have ND8, ND16, 32, 64, and here the last one we have 256. So this is really dark, it will dark. So let's start with the 8 and I will put on you to see how this work. You see, so we have like that. It's way more better, not so bright and everything. Let's try 16. So 16. Let's try 32. So if you are really bright day or something like that, I think 32, 64, but everything depends actually on the day and direct sun. Now it sounds good. Look how we are bright now. We are now pretty dark. This is 64, but let's put 32 again. I think 32 now, it's really nice. I'm in the shade now, so I'm interested for this 256, how will dark will be. Oh, we are pretty dark. But sometimes you need also. What is also great with the spec, I'll put now 16. Now we have 16. I think 16 is really great. So what is great, it's really small. You can fit in your pocket, you can fit everywhere where you want. So in your backpack or everywhere. So really easy to use. And for example, this CPL, for example, when you record the water or you record the car, it will not give you the glare. You can see through the glass, or in the water it will not be glare and everything. So guys, you see how this works outside, how this is great and everything. So I'm really satisfied with this. I really use them all the time when I need to record outside or something like that. For me, game changer here is that you can close this and the filter can stay on the camera. You don't need to remove them. In original DJI, you cannot do that. You need to detach that and put it outside. What else is great? You have here two departments for filters also, so you can easily put your filter here. This is also magnetic, and then they will stay there. So you have two filters here, you have one here. That means you have three filters. So you don't even need to take this case with you all the time. You can put it in the backpack, and that's all. So basically you can do everything with 1632 and CPL filters, and that's all. So really great product. I'm really satisfied. I like how this everything's for, how this small package and everything. And one more time, thanks to the company, they send me this, and I can highly recommend this. So see you on some another. Bye.